Hi everyone, and welcome to Crypto DeFi Spot. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about the Fantom blockchain network and why it's gained so much popularity in recent years. But before we get started, it is important you know that the team at Crypto DeFi Spot are not financial advisors, and nothing said in these videos should be taken as financial advice. It is important you do your own research and use your own discretion. So first, let's start with the basics. What is Fantom? Fantom is a next-generation blockchain platform that was developed with the goal of becoming the world's first DAG-based smart contract platform. DAG stands for Directed Acyclic Graph, and it's a type of data structure that allows for fast and efficient transactions. Fantom is designed to be highly scalable, with the ability to process thousands of transactions per second. It also uses a unique consensus algorithm called Lachesis, which allows for fast and secure consensus without the need for energy-intensive proof-of-working mining. So why do people like Fantom more than other blockchain networks? There are a few reasons. First and foremost, Fantom is incredibly fast. With the ability to process thousands of transactions per second, it's one of the fastest blockchain platforms out there. This makes it perfect for applications that require high transaction speeds, such as supply chain management or real-time financial transactions. In addition to its speed, Fantom is also highly secure. The Lachesis consensus algorithm ensures that transactions are secure and can't be tampered with, making it a safe choice for businesses and organizations. But perhaps the biggest reason that people like Fantom is its versatility. It's not just a platform for financial transactions. It can be used for a wide range of applications, from supply chain management to identity verification to voting systems. This makes it a great choice for businesses and organizations looking to build decentralized applications. In conclusion, the Fantom blockchain network is a fast, secure, and versatile platform that's gaining popularity among businesses and organizations looking to build decentralized applications. Its DAG-based architecture and Lachesis consensus algorithm make it a standout choice in the world of blockchain. Thanks for joining me for today's episode. If you have any more questions about Fantom or blockchain in general, be sure to leave a comment below. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.